trying to keep a couple of those trending tokens in my portfolio. Those tokens that you always see trending on Twitter, trending on YouTube. I try to keep a couple of those in the portfolio, fam. But that's just me personally, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. It's your boy Crypto Millie. Let me know in the comments if I should start covering Casper. Let me know if I should buy some Casper and start making some Casper videos. I'd love to know you guys' opinions in the comments. Also, like and subscribe. Engage with the video. Let's talk about top trending cryptos. But before we actually talk about the top trending cryptos, let's go over the market. We did get a federal rate hike, 0.25. J Powell came up and really absolutely said a nothing burger. We already know he's going to look at the data. He's not going to give us any information. And he said it's going to take forever to reach 2%. So that was pretty much the market update. It seemed like the cryptocurrency space had already priced in the 0.25 federal rate hike. So that was good. That was good. All right. And we're starting to see the rebound of it as a lot of altcoins that were dumping going into the FOMC starting to pick up and regain some of that bullish momentum that we've seen throughout the whole cryptocurrency space. And in fact, we've been pretty bullish since the beginning of the year, which is January. So that's a good thing. All right. So, but I want to talk about why I think it's always good to have a few of those cryptocurrencies in your portfolio that's always trending. All right, so let's go over it. First and foremost, liquidity and market acceptance. Trending crypto projects often have high liquidity, strong market acceptance. This means that buying into such projects allow for easier entry and exits from positions, reducing the impact of slippage during trades. So unlike taking a high risk chance with micro caps, small caps, where you invested a lot into this cryptocurrency and they don't have enough liquidity for you to sell, with these trendy cryptocurrencies or big market caps or even blue chip cryptocurrencies, you ain't gotta worry about that. All right, they're very liquid. You can buy, you can sell, you can move your liquidity freely. 2, community and developer support. Trending projects tend to have active communities and strong developer support. This can lead to continuous improvements, updates, and new features, increasing the project's potential for long-term success. And you will see that with one of the projects I'm going to talk about a little later in this video. Huge to see, huge communities. We know why they're trending, but most importantly, developers building. I think that keeps the project alive. It gives people a kind of like, it gives people a chance to see the end game, where the crypto is going as far as a roadmap. And it really makes people feel confident that the cryptocurrency project plans on being around for long term. 3, visibility and exposure. Popular projects often receive significant media coverage, increasing their visibility in the crypto space. This increased exposure can attract more investors and users, driving further demand and potential price appreciation. So the fact that it's always trending, the fact that it's always visible, it's always in people's face. When new retail, new money get into cryptocurrency, the first thing they're going to see is the trending projects. Now, that's not always a good thing because that can signal the top in some cases. But if you're blessed enough to get into these projects in floor levels, in bear markets, in inception, you can have a high chance of seeing some prolific gains with popular cryptocurrencies. All right, so 4, potential quick returns. We're going to skip that one because some people like quick returns. Some people like delayed gratification, long-term holders. You know, that just depends on the person. 5, network effects. This is huge. Trending projects can experience network effects where more users and investors join the ecosystem due to its popularity. As a user base grows, the value and utility of the project's native token may increase. We see this all the time for meme coins. We've seen it with Pepe, how everybody wanted to be part of the Pepe community. Everybody wanted to be part of the Shiba community. You feel me? These community tokens that drive new investors, new retail into cryptocurrency space because everybody wants to be part of the winning team. So trending cryptocurrencies can really put themselves in a position through network effects to attract more investors. All right, so let's get into these cryptocurrency projects. I know what y'all came here. First one I want to talk about is Jasmy. I talk about Jasmy all the time. In fact, I'm gonna keep it quick. Eloix, I couldn't have said it better. Jasmy is an Ethereum beast government, and utility token of Jasmy ecosystem and organization that develops IoT platforms, Internet of Things. Okay, we know the utility and use case of Jasmy. I've noticed it's always trending on Twitter. It always gets a lot of social engagement. I think Jasmy is one of those cryptocurrency projects that will go parabolic because of the popularity. When you add popularity to something that has such a beautiful team like ex-Sony members, utility use case, and a product that generates revenue, we're talking about the perfect recipe for success. Not to add, the market cap is only 189 million. The circulating supply is 48 billion of max, 50 billion. And we know there's been projects that hit the heights of $2 and $3 with 50 billion max tokens. So when people say, oh, Jasmy going to $1 is unbelievable, I just got to shake my head to that. All right? I don't want to dwell on that. I do Jasmy videos almost every day. If you're new to the channel, you will see a Jasmy video, okay? Jasmy is always trending. The next project I want to talk about is Terra Luna Classic. Now, this is not the most popular cryptocurrency on the list, but it's always trending, whether it be Terra, whether it be USTC, whether it be Lunk, whether it be Doquan. Terra Luna Classic has always found a way to trend. Not only that, you got a list of popular influencers that dedicate their life to talking about Terra Luna Classic, all right? So as long as these influencers continue to shill, I expect Terra Luna Classic, one of those projects that's always trending, to still do well. Now, will it hit a $60 billion market cap and reach 1 penny? I used to believe that it could, but the more and more I see the uncertainty with the developers, the community, and just unclear road maps when we talk about the utility, I really am concerned if this project could hit 1 penny. But can it go to a $10 billion market cap, $20 billion market cap? I honestly think it could. Plus, they do have quarterly burns from Binance, so it is a hyper deflationary token. So definitely keep that in mind. Terra Luna Classic is always trending. Whether you like it or not, I made a video of most hated cryptocurrencies. Terra Luna Classic fits the script. And whether you like it or not, this project, I believe, will still have a substantial success because it's a very trendy project. All right. The next project I want to talk about is Hedera. Now, if you ever been on Twitter, crypto Twitter is always talking about Hedera. They're always talking about the governance council. It seems like every day Hedera has a new utility, a new partnership, and a new narrative, whether it be tokenization, whether it be ESG, whether it be speeds, whether it be compliance, regulation. Hedera is the full package, sitting here at a $1.7 billion market cap. A lot of people feel like trillions of dollars will pour into Hedera because of the institutional interest. So if you've been part of my channel or you're new to this channel, you will see a Hedera video. I'm not going to get too much into Hedera because I really like this project. The only thing that concerns me has always been the tokenomics and the sketchy price action. When you look at the governance council and some of the tech giants that sit like Google, you would expect more from a price standpoint, but you really don't see that correlate to the price. I think that's always been the knock on Hedera, though I think that it will do well because of the institutional interest. It's one of those chains, I want to say layer ones, that fees are consistent, meaning the fee is always the same every time. I think that's big for institutions where they do their books, where they do their audits, where they do their paper trails. They want fees that are consistent. You can't build on something like Ethereum. I mean, you can build, but it's just like doing transactions on Ethereum is a headache with the fees. And I think Hedera is on a whole different level. They've almost always they've excuse me, it's been a long day. They've already cleared about 15 billion transactions. So I finally got it out. I was talking too fast. Y'all excuse me. I'm not doing no edits. Okay, Hedera, H-bar. I think that's a project that's bound to have success, and it's always trending. It's always trending. Lots of influencers, lots of social engagement, even on YouTube. Hedera is a very trendy project that's actually good. Like, there's actually use case, real world use case. I think Hedera will do numbers in the next bull cycle. Shiba Inu. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of Shiba Inu, but I love the ecosystem and what they're attempting to build as far as Shibarium. So I think the shine on Shiba Inu will cause even more shine on a project like Bone. But I can't leave out the fact that Shiba Inu is always trending. All right, it's always trending. You got businesses building around Shiba Inu. You got Shiba Wings. You got partnerships with companies like Gucci, Porsche. Like Shiba for a meme coin has set the standard. They have done it all, family. And they're currently building out a layer 2 to complement Ethereum, where you will see unlimited amount of developers flock into Shibarium. Shibarium, should I say? I don't want anybody to correct me in the comments, but flock into Shibarium, right? And building meme coins. So the more the meme coin market gets, you know, flooded, I think the more bigger Shiba Inu will become, especially if they finally release Shibarium and you see a lot of developers dropping unlimited meme coins in this ecosystem. You can see this project and even Bone, because it's the utility token, literally go parabolic. So if you've been on crypto Twitter, if you've been on YouTube, Shiba Inu is always trending. Shiba Inu still will give you gains. If you putting up like, and I gotta be real with you, you gotta put up like 5-10 grand. You putting up like 5-10 grand. You putting up 10 bands, 20 bands. You're gonna see number. You're gonna do numbers with Shiba Inu. It will do numbers. Now, if you thinking it's gonna go to $1, 1 penny, then I gotta start questioning your mentality in cryptocurrency, man. Shiba Inu always traded. I don't want to get too much into that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Shiba Inu. Last but not least, crypto.com. Crypto.com is always trending. CrowFam is always trending. It's very, very popular on crypto Twitter. It's very, very popular on YouTube. Social engagement is there. And this project is sitting at a $1.4 billion market cap. When you compare it to the heights of Binance, you know how massive crypto.com could be. It also has more regulation and compliance than Binance. It has the most licenses across the planet when talking about exchanges and doing the right thing. It also has the best marketing. You see crypto.com, literally the GOAT. LeBron James plays at crypto.com arena. So everybody who's going to come see LeBron and his last years, guess what they got to see? Crypto.com arena. You got to see it at F1 Formula. You got to see it at UFC. You see crypto.com literally everywhere. And the name is catchy. So the fact that crypto.com kind of like is the pillar for crypto, right? I think this project is going to do well. You haven't really seen it translate to price action just yet. And there are rumors that crypto.com is hyper deflationary. So it has a lot going to the positive. The only negative would be the fees if you're trying to do trade options or just literally trade crypto. I wouldn't even trade cryptocurrency on crypto.com. No, I wouldn't trade cryptocurrency on crypto.com at all because the fees are outrageous. Not a lot of traders like the app. So once they become more trader friendly, this project could blow up. But of course, they're waiting for regulation in the States. You know, I said it, the other countries, they get 100x, 10x. We can't do that. So until we get regulation where we can actually use leverage, traders will not use crypto.com because it has bad fees. It has bad fees. But on the flip side, as an opportunity, you look at the fees and understand that they generate revenue for the marketing through these fees. So just understanding the business ecosystem, that concept, and the psychology behind it. But Cronus, always trending. Very, very, very sound project from the fundamental standpoint. I think this project will hit $1, $2, man. Again, if you're putting up 2 grand, 5 grand, you will see gains with these blue chips, man. You just gotta put up enough liquidity. And I don't think a lot of people do. They think they could just put $100 in a blue chip project and it's gonna make you $100,000. That's not how it works, okay? So do your research, be smart. Have a good mix of super DJ stuff and blue chips, you know what I mean? And become successful, man. You will be a millionaire in cryptocurrency. These are my favorite, most trendy cryptocurrencies in the market. Y'all let me know what y'all think and let me know what I missed out on. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.